Guys, if you want to cast your Android mobile on MI LED TV, then this video is just for you. If this is your first time here and want to learn more about computer internet applications, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. So to connect your Android mobile to MI LED TV, firstly make sure to connect both of your mobile and MI LED TV with the same Wi-Fi network. Now go to the mobile setting, then go to connection and sharing setting. Down here you can find the wireless display option. Just click on it. Now switch on wireless display. Here you can see your MI LED TV. Just tap on it to connect. Here it is. Your Android mobile is successfully connected to your MI LED TV. That's it guys for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button down below, and if you want to see such more videos like this, then do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.